Hi, this is Karen Connolly with Altera Group. I am here with Jim Morrison, our Director of Marketing. Say hi, Jim.
Hello, everyone.
And we are so excited to introduce the new Valuation Expo 2013 app for smartphones and tablets. It's compatible with iOS, Droid, and BlackBerry devices. If you'd like to download the app so that you can follow along on your own, you can go to your app download store and search for Valuation Expo 2013. It's free, and when you download the app, we recommend that you allow push notifications so you'll be able to receive the latest up-to-date information and important announcements about the conference. Now that we're looking at the actual app, you can see on the top there are scrolling banner ads. If you click on the banner ad, it directs you to wherever the advertiser wanted you to go. Here, for example, you can see that it takes you to the advertiser's webpage. By pressing the back button, it takes you right back to the app. The Twitter feed at the bottom pulls every tweet using the hashtag Valuation Expo. This is a great way for attendees to stay connected before and during the actual event. As you can see, the main screen has showing here 6 icons. There are a total of 12, including the second page. And let's quickly go through those on the iPhone 4S. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual icons. Let's click on Schedule, which is the calendar with the 17 in the middle, which just happens to be the first day that registration is open at Valuation Expo. When you click on the schedule icon, you can view the schedule sorted by day, by topic, or speaker. Choosing schedule by day, let's say June 19th, and take a look at the schedule. You can see it shows everything that's going on the 19th. Let's choose, for example, appraisal quality. And here you can see the location, the description, and the speakers for the session. You can actually rate the session. You can even choose it as a favorite, or you can opt to tweet about it. Now let's go back out and choose schedule by topic. And let's again choose appraisal quality. Now what we'd like for you to note is that you can choose this particular session as a favorite right from this screen. You can also view the schedule. If you go back out, you can take a look at the schedule by speaker. And we'll go into more detail about the speakers when we get to that particular icon. And now we're going to take a look at the Maps icon. By selecting the Maps icon, you have a choice of maps to help you find your way around the event and Las Vegas. The first map is the Expo floor plan. This will help you locate exhibitors on the trade show floor, and you can pick their booth. Let's say in this case we're going to click on ACI. Once you click on it, you'll see that the ACI logo within the trade show floor plan is highlighted yellow. Click on that again, and that will take you to the exhibitor's company profile. The company profile provides you with all of the contact information for that particular company. And we will go into greater detail on that when we actually do the exhibitor icon. Let's go back and take a look at the Flamingo floor plan. This will help attendees find the location of any particular session. This is linked to the schedule, so you can quickly access the location of the meeting. Here we've clicked on the CRN meeting, which is taking place in the El Dorado Ballroom. And when you click on the yellow highlighted area, it actually takes you to the Collateral Risk Network page that shows the speakers and the agenda for that particular event. Finally, we want to go back out and take a look at the map of Las Vegas. This is an interactive map that allows us to identify key points and areas of interest for our attendees. We actually have the Flamingo Hotel highlighted on this particular map. We know you're going to be excited about this next icon, which is exhibitors. By clicking on the exhibitor icon, you're taken to the main page, which includes exhibitors by name, category, or favorites. Valuation Expo sponsors are listed on the first page. Let's click exhibitors by name. You'll notice our sponsors are highlighted in orange here. From this page, you can also add an exhibitor or a sponsor as a favorite. Now let's take a look at the company profile. When we click on Clear Box, we're taken to their company profile, which includes all of their contact information. You can call them or send them an email directly from this app. Exhibitors can also include a one-page PDF ad with their profile, as you can see here. And we want you to notice at the bottom of the company profile, when we click on the exhibitor tag, we can see all of the exhibitors that are going to be at Valuation Expo. Now let's click back out and go to Bradford Technologies. You can see here that they are a bronze sponsor. And when you click on that bronze sponsor tag, you're able to see all of the other bronze sponsors. And this holds true for all of our sponsors. If you were to click on a gold sponsor, you'd see all of the gold sponsors. And this will allow our attendees to retain exhibitor and sponsor information when they arrive back at work after the conference. Another great feature of this app is the speaker icon. So we can take a look at everything that is available there. Notice again, you can mark a speaker as a favorite from this page, just like you did in the schedule and exhibitor area. Let's take a look at one of our speakers. Let's choose Dustin Harris. Notice the speaker bio and contact information. You can email the speaker right from the app by clicking on their email address. You can even view all of the speaker presentations and PowerPoints by clicking on the attached document at the bottom of their speaker profile. Attendees can take notes on speakers and sessions. So let's select the notes and write a quick note about Dustin Harris. You can see here that we've already written a note, and you can see how this is going to be such a valuable tool to help attendees follow along during the continuing education course. Next, we'll take a look at the contact section. We think this is one of the greatest tools available to our exhibitors and attendees in the app. The first thing you will have to do is edit your own contact information. Once you've filled out and saved your display name, email address, and pertinent contact information, you can then choose who you would like to share it with. Click the attendee category to view some of the other attendees who have already put in their information. You can then click specific attendees that you'd like to share your information with. Once they've also accepted the information on their end, then you'll be able to go back and click on your contacts area, the Your Contacts tab, and you'll be able to see all of the attendees, exhibitors, and sponsors that you've connected with. And we also have an option of exporting the contacts. Your choices are you can export them to your phone contacts, or you can even email an attachment of all of the contacts you've made at the conference. Now, to take a look at the social media icon, by clicking on the social media button, this will allow you to directly connect to the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube for Appraisal Buzz. Now we're going to go back out and slide over to the second screen, and then we're going to select Survey. During the conference, the survey button will allow attendees to rate and comment on sessions in which they're taking part. A new item that we're implementing this year is the QR code scanner. And if you click on the QR code scanner tool on this app, it will allow the app to automatically spawn the camera viewfinder so that you can scan a QR code. Once they've scanned the code, it will take the attendee to whatever site or item that the QR code is designed to show them. In this particular example, it takes you to the download for this particular app. Putting the QR code on your marketing materials is a great way to get attendees to interact with the app, your booth, and promotional materials. Feel free to contact us with additional questions on how the QR codes work. So next, we're going to click on the Notes icon, which allows you to quickly go through all of the notes that you've made in the app about the speakers, the exhibitors, and the education sessions. As you can see, the note we previously created about Dustin Harris is available here. This helps attendees stay organized and recall important items about the conference. We're going to go back out and take a look at the search icon. The search button allows you to search through the entire app by keyword or phrase. This works just like any other search feature on a website. So you'll notice when we search for the word urban, it pulls up every result of the word in the app, from exhibitors to speaker bios to our gold sponsor Urban Lending Solution appraisals. So this will be a great way for our attendees to find information within the app. And then we're going to go back out, and lastly we're going to take a look at the About button. And this button shows people who have downloaded the app a little bit about the companies involved with the conference and the creation of this particular app. And finally, we've come to our last icon, which is Messages. The Messages button shows you all of the push notifications that have been received, so that if there was one you would like to specifically reference, you can go back with this portion of the app and take a look at it. People who have chosen not to allow push notifications in their app will be able to view those notifications here. And with that, I'm going to turn it over to Jim. Jim is going to take over and talk about the differences in the tablet version, and he's going to discuss how to make the app work for you.
We wanted to quickly show you some of the differences in the layout of our tablet version. Follow along with us as we use this on the iPad too. You'll notice almost immediately the main difference is how navigation works in our tablet version of our app. Instead of having the icons in the center like on the smartphone version, they're listed on the left on the navigation bar. The Twitter feed is unfortunately only available on the smartphone version, but you will notice that the banner ads are placed on top of your navigation bar. The app was designed to be intuitive and make navigation as easy as possible. Hopefully, it'll be easy for everyone that downloads this app to pick it up. We wanted to take a moment to talk about some of the marketing and advertising options inside the app. As we spoke about earlier, every exhibitor is given a one-page PDF that they can attach to their company profile. Notice the clear box PDF right here. We also have the push notifications available. Say you have a specific promotion at your booth. Use the push notification to make sure that everyone is at your booth for a drawing or giveaway. Push notifications are 140 characters and can include an HTML link to any download destination or website address. Once again, as we noted before, if the downloader has denied push notification, these messages will be available in the Messages section of the app. The banner ads on top of the navigation bar and on top of the app in the smartphone version rotate through all the ads in a sequential order. You can link to any download destination or website address. These ads will continually rotate anytime the app is open so that you can guarantee that anyone using the app is seeing your ad. The specs for this ad are 640 pixels by 150 pixels, and these must be submitted in a PNG format. We feel this app is not only a great way for attendees to stay connected to Valuation Expo and to keep up to date with the latest information, it is also a powerful marketing tool for our exhibitors and sponsors. Feel free to contact us at info@alteragroup.com to find out more about how this app can work for you or to get some answers to any questions you may have. Thanks for taking the time to look over this with us, and we hope you enjoy the app. We look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas, June 18th through 20th.